Hi, it's Tammy from Cozy Pup Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to do a slip stitch and follow with a foundation chain, which is what most of my patterns use to start with. So to create a slip stitch, we want to make sure we've got a nice long tail so that we can weave it in at the end of our project, and then we're going to flip that tail over the top of the yarn that's going back to the ball. We've already got our fingers here in the right position, so we're going to grab the yarn that's going back to the ball, pop it in between our two fingers, and then pull that yarn through that little hot loop that we just made. And then that creates a nice big loop here, and we're going to pop our crochet hook in, and then we pull the yarn that's heading back towards the ball to tighten it up. And there we have a slip stitch. So to create our foundation chain, what we need to do is wrap our yarn around the hook like this, and then we pull this yarn through this loop that's already on our hook, and that creates a new loop. And then we're going to do that again. So we grab our yarn, we pull it over the hook, and then we pull that yarn through the loop that's already on our hook, and now we've got two chains. And we do that until we get to the length that's required for the pattern. So most of my patterns are a foundation chain of 9, so we'll just keep going up until 9. So we yarn over, we pull that yarn through the loop on our hook, and we want to keep things nice and loose so that it's easy to work with. So yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. And there we have a foundation chain of 9.